Hello and welcome to English Stories. In this video, we will listen to a story about the exciting journey of the little star. Once upon a time, high up in the dark blue sky, there lived a tiny little star. The star was small and shy, and it did not shine very brightly. All the other stars sparkled beautifully. "You are too dim," they said. "You will never shine like us." The little star felt sad, but deep inside, it had a dream. It wanted to shine bright and help light up the night sky. "I may be small," the little star whispered, "but I will learn how to shine." One quiet night, a gentle wind moved through the sky. The little star felt something new, courage. It decided to move higher into the sky to find its place. As it traveled, it saw the moon, clouds, and even shooting stars racing past. The world below looked peaceful and beautiful. Finally, the little star found a small empty space in the sky. It took a deep breath and tried to shine a little brighter. It was not easy. Sometimes its light flickered. "What if I can't do it?" it worried. One night, the wise old moon noticed the little star struggling. "Why do you look so worried?" asked the moon kindly. "I am too small," said the little star. "I will never shine brightly." The moon smiled gently. "Every bright star was once small. Light grows when you believe in yourself." The little star listened carefully. It decided to keep trying. Night after night, it practiced shining a little more. Slowly, its light became stronger. One evening, dark clouds covered the sky. Thunder roared loudly. The little star was afraid. Its light became weak. "What if I disappear?" it thought. But then it remembered the moon's words. Instead of giving up, the little star kept shining, even if the light was small. After the storm passed, the clouds slowly moved away, and there in the clear night sky, the little star was still shining. Years passed. The little star grew brighter and brighter. Now it shone beautifully as a night sky. Travelers looked up and smiled at its light. One quiet evening, the moon returned. "You see," the moon said proudly, "you learned how to shine." The bright star smiled. "I was small once, but I believed in myself." And from that night on, the bright star helped other Malenki stars believe in their light. And so the sky became brighter, one small star at a time. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more.